Hello everyone. Coming home is always a good feeling. But if the home is at Rohan Harita, it is even more pleasant. The homes here are not just surrounded by trees, but are also plush in design, promising you perfect ventilation, lively light, utmost privacy, and smart space utilization. I am Snehal. With me, let's check out the 3 BHK home at Rohan Harita. Let's go. As soon as we enter, we step into the spacious lobby. This lobby is not just spacious, but is also designed with functionality in mind. The walls on either side can be converted into your feature wall and can serve as a precursor to your beautiful home inside. This design keeps privacy in mind. None of the visitors, such as your frequent delivery boys, would have access to your private areas like the kitchen, the dining and the bedrooms. This acts as a visual buffer to keep them away from the direct sight. Come, let's check out the living room here. From the lobby, you step into this very spacious living room. This living room, while being close to the entrance, is also very accessible from your private areas such as the dining and the kitchen. It is visually connected to the dining space and hence looks big and grand. The living room is rectangular in shape. This allows you to customize your furniture as you like. How about a lounge chair here or a study table there? The distance between the TV and the couch is perfect for an enjoyable viewing experience. Also, the TV unit is on a wall that is perpendicular to the balcony opening and hence the glare is minimized. The layout is designed in such a way that only the balcony is on one side of the living room, while the other areas such as the kitchen, the dining and the bedrooms are on the other side. With this, you are ensured that there is minimum crossover happening at any given point. The living room has points for TV and the AC. Also, we all use our phones day in and night. And hence, there is a charging point right next to the sofa. This living space is well lit and well ventilated thanks to the big sliding doors here. These doors open into the balcony and give you a perfect view of the outside. Let's check out the balcony together. From the living room, you step out into this balcony. As an extension of your living space, it is a perfect place to host parties or small get-togethers. For someone like me, who has a lot of friends who come over on weekends, isn't it just the perfect spot to host them? The railings here are embossed railings. This ensures they are very sturdy. The openings, as you can see, are slender and sleek. Because of it, you get an unobstructed airflow and natural light at all times. The height of the railings ensures that your kids are safe and secure. With no horizontal members, the safety is taken to just another level. The balcony is well lit and hence it is great for your green plantation. I would love to have a vertical garden in this space here. Let's check out the dining space now. From the living, you come to the dining space. The dining area is visually connected to the living area and hence entertaining guests becomes easy. The dining space is in close proximity to the kitchen. Serving hot food to your kids is going to be an easy task here. The common wash basin and washroom are just steps away and hence your guests can use them as they like. If you're someone like me who enjoys sorting veggies while you enjoy your favorite shows on the TV, this spot is just perfect with a direct view of the television. Let's check out the attached kitchen. From here, we step into the kitchen. The kitchen, as you can see, is well lit and so spacious. The location of the kitchen is ideal if you're working alone here and want to rush to the entrance door to welcome the guest. We have a parallel platform here. This ensures that multiple activities are happening without the kitchen getting messy. The kitchen has electrical points for all your favorite appliances. There's a provision for the water purifier, the ductless chimney, and also the exhaust. The kitchen sink has provision for both hot and cold water. If you're someone like me who wouldn't like the cold winters, the hot water is a blessing. The kitchen has a countertop which is very easy to maintain. The dado tiles that extend up to 2 feet take care of all your cooking fumes and are super easy to clean. Also, the kitchen has ample storage for your utensils, your daily essentials and everything you need to store here. For someone like me who enjoys an open kitchen, it is very easy to get away with this wall and have an open kitchen that connects you to the living and the dining. Here, you can choose to have a half-height wall which could serve as the kitchen island or as a serving station. With this design, it is also possible to have an L-shaped platform. But if you personally ask me, it is much functional to have a parallel platform considering 2-3 people in the house and the work efficiency. Like, if I have to remove something from the refrigerator and place it on the parallel platform here, it is easy. Come, let's check out the utility area. From the kitchen, you enter into the attached utility space. The utility area is well lit and well ventilated thanks to the opening here. This light also translates into a very well lit and brightly functioning kitchen. The utility area has concealed plumbing fittings and hence it becomes a beam-free open space for you to have an easy dry clothing system here or perhaps some extra storage. In the utility area, there's provision for a tap and a washing machine with an additional electric point. The utility area, the tiles and surfaces here are very easy to clean and maintain. Now let us move outside and check the other areas of the house. Before we move on to explore the other areas, here is a small niche created. This additional space is perfect to act as a storage area or a puja room. How you use it is your choice. The multifunctional space is available right outside your kitchen. Let's check the common washroom and the basin. Coming next to the common wash basin. The common wash basin is very conveniently located. It is close to the dining area, hence making it easy for guests, and it's also close to the entrance. So your kids can easily run in after a playtime for a quick hand wash and don't have to step into the washroom. The common wash basin is especially useful in the busy mornings when we all are catching the morning rush. Next to it is the common washroom. The common washroom has a granite door frame. This door frame looks not only elegant but is also very durable. The false ceiling ensures all of your fittings, the geyser points, are concealed and you get a nice clean look outside. You always enter the washroom through the dry area. That way, you do not have to step into water or the wet areas when you want to quickly access it. A tile drop ensures that your wet and dry area are well segregated. All the horizontal surfaces in the washroom are easy to clean and maintain. From here, let's check out the bedroom. This particular bedroom is very close to the common wash basin and common washroom, and hence is a perfect pad for your kids. As you can see, the room has ample amount of bedside space even after the essential furniture such as the wardrobe, the side tables have been placed. The distance between the TV and the bed is perfect for a good viewing experience. This bedroom also has large-sized windows. These windows ensure you get ample amount of light and ventilation all through the day. The bedroom has provisions for two-way switches, and hence when you're moving in and out, you can easily access the buttons for the lights and the fans. The bedroom also has additional switches right next to your bed, and hence now charging your mobile is very easy here. Let's check out the other bedroom. Coming to the other bedroom. This bedroom is extremely spacious and well lit. The rectangular shape offers itself for customization in terms of furniture. You will notice that the bed back is offset free. The beams and columns are in the walls, and hence you can have a huge mural here or a wallpaper of your choice. The distance between the bed and the TV is comfortable for a great viewing experience. There are electric points right next to the bed, as well two-way points to move comfortably inside and out and operate the switches. The bedroom has big size windows. The sill height is low and comfortable for a great viewing experience from the bed directly to the outside. These windows also bring in a lot of natural light and air. You'll see the ample bedside space. I can comfortably move around and yet there is no furniture in my way. This bedroom also has an attached washroom. The attached washroom just adds to the convenient factor. It has a granite door frame like all other washrooms and is extremely durable and elegant. A tile drop ensures that the dry area and the wet areas are segregated. The granite top at the wash basin gives you extra space to place your toiletries like a toothbrush, a shaving kit or your makeup. The big size window ensures you have ample amount of light inside the washroom. Let's check out the other bedroom. Coming to the other bedroom. This bedroom is very strategically located close to the living room yet away from the other bedrooms on the other side of the living. As you enter, you will notice that the bedroom is spacious and wide. It is open to customizable furniture options. We have the TV unit here which is perpendicular to the opening, and this ensures a comfortable viewing experience from the bed. You can also choose to move the bed to one side and add an additional lounge chair here. Imagine what fun it would be to look outside the window and continue reading your book here. Also, you could have a study table here to make sure your working experience is great. This bedroom is rectangular in shape and hence open to customization of furniture as you like. The two-way switches here ensure you have a comfortable experience and it adds to your convenience. There's a TV point here, also a charging point very close to your bed. This bedroom comes with an attached balcony. This balcony is an extension of your living space inside. The MS railings that are sleek and slender ensure you have an unobstructed flow of air and light at all times. This space would be a great den to maybe read your favorite book or grab a cup of coffee. Since it's covered on the top, all the balconies here are covered at the same height and hence your privacy is ensured. It could be your perfect place to spend an evening with your loved one. This bedroom also has an attached washroom. Like all the other washrooms in this apartment, this one also has a granite door frame. It is spacious and there's a tile drop between the dry area and the wet area. This makes sure that you always enter the washroom through the dry area. You can quickly wash your hands and move out. The washroom also has a big size window that ensures you have ample amount of light all through the day. All the horizontal surfaces in the washroom are granite and hence easy to clean and maintain. The washroom also has a false ceiling. Your geyser points can be well concealed, giving you a nice fresh look. Before we end this tour, there's another thing I'd like to show you. This is the circulation spine of the apartment. It is the only walkable zone. This enhances your privacy because there are no long dead passages. It's a well-lit area and every space is smartly utilized. Every space, including the landscape at Rohan Harita, are designed keeping you at the center. The homes here, surrounded by trees, ensure you will have the perfect work-life play and nature balance. Thank you.